step back. Okay, when I say on your mark, you step up to that line. Do not step on it. It's part of your race. Sorry, stay outside. Stride ahead of the first on the side. Any questions? All right, good luck.
And Tristan, nice and easy.
Go, Alex. Get too much hair on that head.
On your mark.
Just to let you know that today we are also celebrating that it's Hershey's 35th birthday, so that's probably why you see all the balloons around. But to celebrate that, we do have a moon bounce. So after your event, don't want to tire up before it, please, you can head over there, have a little bit more fun. We also have some cake that will be served, first come, first serve, in about a half hour. And we also will be calling just random names of participants who will win different Hershey candy bars. So be listening for your name. Thank you very much and happy birthday, Hershey. So if you competed in your field event and you've already finished, please head over to awards tent so you can pick up your award. Anybody who's already competed, you can head to the awards tent now. Thank you. And Samantha Schoenberg, we're waiting for you under the awards tent so we can do the award ceremony. Thank you.
Let's go, Chris!
Go, Tristan!
He can't. He's never done it. He did it last time for the first
Well, Sophia, Mike and Garrett, you are our first winner of the Hershey Candy Bar. You can report to the concession stand. Let them know you are our first
Way to go, guys!
Again, Sophia, Mike and Garrett, you are the first winner of the Hershey Bar for celebrating Hershey's 33rd birthday. Congratulations. The next event is going to be the 50-meter dash, girls 9 and 10. Again, first call, 50-meter dash, girls 9 and 10.